Unfortunately, week 3, I'm sick. I have a cough, congestion is starting. Today, I've literally been watching, oh, well, that's a spreadsheet, but I was watching trainers, doing a little Zentangle, doing a tiny bit of work, and taking lots of medicine. So, I don't know. We'll see what happens this week. It might be kind of boring. I'm sorry if it is. I'm sick. Got my nails done today and my toes. Did yellow, I don't think you can see them. We had a nail lady come up to the house. I've never done that before, but that's the benefit of traveling with like 7 or 8 people. You can split the cost of all these things and it's worth it for them to like come to you. That's like the downside of doing solo traveling is you pay for everything. So like taxi, you never get to split with anybody. Hotel rooms, you never get to split with anybody. So yeah, so it's kind of nice having like a group where we can just like share some of the costs. So it's been a really good day so far. I still have a cough. I'm still not feeling great, but way better than yesterday. About to have group dinner and yeah, that's kind of the night. By Thursday, my cough had gotten really bad and I needed some more medicine, so I got out of the house, which was nice because it had been a couple days since I left. I went to this little store called Coastal Nicaragua, got some bracelets and souvenirs, went by the pharmacy. This was my 3rd bottle of cough syrup. I was going through it so fast. I got some electrolytes and then started heading back, but it was really hot this day. I was not gonna be able to make it up that hill without cooling off just for a little bit. Stopped at this surf and skate spot, which was really cute, and they had a caramel ice latte, which was so good. And then our Thursday night group activity was actually this photo shoot, which was so fun. We all got some great shots and just really took advantage of this pool, the sunset, the house. I am finally feeling better. I have had a terrible cough all week. You can hear it in my voice. My voice is coming back a little bit, so I apologize. The vlogging this week was not great because honestly, I didn't do a whole lot. I was mostly at home. I did have group meals with my group. I like did the program things I had to do because I am the facilitator, so I have to be present and kind of do some of these activities, but outside of that, I really didn't do that much this week. Going to try to enjoy this beautiful view as much as I can before I have to leave. One more week here. It's gonna be my 4th week here in San Juan del Sur in Nicaragua. Hopefully I will get a little bit more done because I'll be feeling a little bit more up to it. And I've enjoyed being able to have this beautiful house that I'm staying in to just like relax and get the rest I needed, get all the medicine I needed. I did go to the pharmacy a couple of different times just to get different stuff. But if you're gonna have to recover, at least do it in a beautiful place. Speaking of this beautiful house, I think it might be time to give you a tour. That's our infinity pool. That's the ocean. Absolutely gorgeous. This is, I never want to leave this house. We eat over there a lot. We don't really hang out here if I'm being honest. They even have this like a sunset couch with like the pillows and everything. It's about to be sunset, probably about 10, 15 more minutes. We'll get like really, really good colors over there behind the hill. You got the Jesus statue up there. Again, our gorgeous, gorgeous infinity pool. And like, look how big it is. We like to have deep, meaningful conversations in this section right here. And then in here, this is also where we eat sometimes if we want to sit inside or we have extra people. We tend to work at this table a lot. There's so many tables, there's so much seating. This is the kitchen. It's a nice kitchen. It's got all the appliances, like everything you need. It even comes with like nice comfy chairs as well. If you want to lay out. Seriously, this house has like everything you could want, plus 7 bedrooms, so you can share it with all of your friends. And a lot of the bedrooms have bunk beds in them, so it actually sleeps up to like 20 people. And then over here, this room, I swear this room just like continues on. There's so much. Another seating area with a giant TV. We've done presentations here. We watched the Super Bowl here. But yeah, seriously, I cannot believe that I've been calling this place home. It's called Villa Timar. It's up the top of a hill. As you can see, it's not a fun hill to walk up, I will tell you that. Only a few people have rented motorbikes or like quads. The rest of us we just walk up the hill. But this view is worth it.